I don't think मैं ज़्यादा romantic हूँ actually.
What do you mean you're not that romantic?
Why are we smiling at each other?
I don't know.
कलेश नहीं चाहिए.
मुझे तो थोड़ा बहुत कलेश पसंद है.
Next is the swimming date, right?
Or we could watch horror movies.
भूत ऊत नहीं चाहिए यार मुझे.
But that's so much fun. Imagine you'll get scared and I get to give you my kandha, no then.
Like that.
Like that. Where do you think this is going?
We'll see what messages we get.
Ooh, what is that supposed
I think it's
to
going
be?
well.
So I'll know when you flirt with me.
Am I not right now?
You are?
I don't know.
Clearly, you are a Bombay boy.
Yeah, absolutely.
You have no Delhi in you.
I don't. You
No?
should see me when I go to Delhi. There's a lot of Delhi that comes out when my Delhi friends are there.
Really? So, Pavel, tell me something. Why are we playing paddle today?
This is a new sport that I'm like really into now because I used to play basketball.
Oh.
I still play sometimes, but I break a lot of ankles, and my ankles are very,
What
very
do you
important.
do? You break
While
your
playing,
own
it's a because contact sport, any contact sport, you're gonna break your bones and your ligaments and all of that. So basketball से बहुत injury होती है मुझे. So I thought this is a no contact sport, so I really enjoy it, and I thought it'd be a lovely date.
Hmm. Have you done a date like this before?
No, actually, the first one.
Oh my god, so I feel special now.
Yeah.
So sporty date. जैसे relationships में chemistry is important. I think paddle में भी जरूरी है ना?
बहुत ज़रूरी है. Because actually, it's not a two-person game; it's a four-person game. So your partner and your chemistry has to be perfect.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
And I have no idea about this game, so I'm
I'll
going to be
teach you.
very bad at this.
Chalo, let's go.
And you promised to teach me, so I've always said this 500 times
Yeah.
now already
Huh.
that I hate any games with balls, which is why I was a swimmer.
That sounds very dirty, but
it's meant to.
रहने दो.
See, I am useless with balls.
It's coming. There you go.
Was that good or bad?
Not bad. The first time it's very good. चल,
Okay.
धीरे से.
Yeah, that's because I usually
Yeah.
scream when I see a ball flying towards me. I'm like, oh my god, no! What do? I can't catch it. So I'm very bad at it.
You should try catching it only then.
What other sports do you play?
Basketball has been my main sport. Like बचपन से वही खेला है. I suck at cricket. मतलब
So you don't
I
even watch
probably-
cricket?
I watch it. It's not like I don't watch it, but I don't play cricket or football or anything like that. Football I don't even watch actually, weirdly. My
Okay.
best friends are very
find-
into it.
I find watching sports kind of stupid.
You don't like watching sports?
Yeah, because I'm like, the whole point of sports is to play, not watch.
You're not even trying now.
I just at one
Bend
point...
a little. Let's just stand like
Okay,
this.
okay, fine. So Pavel, tell me something. You've played like these really great characters. Some romantic, some not so romantic,
Huh.
some problematic.
Very problematic. Yeah.
But tell me, have you learned anything from these characters that, in terms of romance and life and love?
Sir, actually, I have not done the romantic films मैंने ज़्यादा करी नहीं है. I really want to do them. Haven't found the right script yet. But I think that on-screen romance is very different from your real-life romance. You have to put on that character, which you can't really do in real life.
So life में कैसा romance पसंद है?
I don't think मैं ज़्यादा romantic हूँ actually. या मतलब not in the conventional way at least.
What do you mean you're not that romantic?
I mean, I'm not the. I don't do the flowers and that kind of जो red roses and shit like that. वो सब नहीं होता है मुझसे. I find it very gimmicky.
So what do you do?
I don't know. I'm just. I think I'm there for you in your tough times.
I think that's romantic.
Yeah, I think that's it.
But I think we have a decent chemistry.
Yeah.
Decent.
So far, so good. It can only build. But what is your ideal date then?
For me,
Yeah.
I think anything where I can have good conversations.
Whoa. Good job.
What's an ideal date for you?
So I love watching movies a lot,
Mhm.
right? So I also like great food. So maybe go for dinner, watch a movie at home. But I love sitting on my couch, watching movies and discussing films with people. That'll be nice.
So what's your go-to genre? What genre do you like watching?
Like at home, I watch a lot of thrillers.
I
Yeah.
actually love psychological thrillers.
Same. Which one's your favorite?
I don't have favorite. There are too many. You can't pick one.
But like, if you had to recommend a psychological thriller to me, okay, you
Off
have
the
to watch
top
this
of
one.
my head, I can't think of one. Abhi currently I'm watching The Curious Case of Natalie Grace.
Oh, I haven't seen that.
Oh, so it's basically a story where this girl gets adopted. It's very orphan.
Okay.
So this girl
I
gets
haven't seen Orphan either.
what?
I can't do horror. I can do psychological
It's
horror.
not
I can't do horror.
It's psychological actually. It's
Orphan.
yeah.
Orphan में भूत भूत है यार.
नहीं.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Okay, so
Okay.
basically, okay. If I tell you this, okay, then I can't tell you either of this because you have to watch it. I mean, it's horrifying.
मेरे को
but
रात को नींद नहीं आई ना जानवी. I swear to God.
maybe you can call me. I can scare you a little.
I will call you.
Okay.
Why are we smiling at each other?
I don't know. Tell me something. If you had to pull a move on a girl, what would be that? वो भी paddle वाला, but what would be a paddle move that you would pull on a woman?
I don't know, probably take her for a game where I'm playing at.
So you like your woman playing with you or cheering on you?
If they play well, of course, play with me. Would love that. Actually, my first girlfriend, she was also a sportsman.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
We
wow.
used to be, she was in the girls' basketball team, I was in the boys' basketball team. It was nice.
School में, oh my god.
Yeah.
That is so cute.
Full कुछ कुछ होता है moment happened.
Ooh, I want to hear the story. I want you to sit with me and tell me the story.
Sure.
हम considering हम बातों से इतना distract हो रहे थे, खेल तो हम रहे नहीं थे.
हाँ, I
So
agree.
I thought you were telling me the story.
Oh.
Your कुछ कुछ होता है वाली love story. from school.
It's not कुछ कुछ होता है वाली love story, but I think
I hope not.
nobody dies.
Not the complete one.
Nobody dies. But हाँ, I think वो school वाला प्यार best वाला प्यार होता है. It's very innocent. It's very कोई transaction नहीं होता है और लगता है कि यही है बस.
I
No,
agree.
That's the most innocent kind of love you'll ever have, I think. And so she, I don't know. I hope she's okay with me telling this story. I'm very, very good friends with her. So, and I'm very good friends with her husband also.
Oh wow.
Yeah. But yeah, she was my first girlfriend and school में वो भी basketball team में थी, मैं भी basketball team में था and हम same class में थे और फिर वो मेरी बहुत अच्छी दोस्त बन गई और फिर वो किसी और को डेट कर रही थी पर मुझे तो हो गया था प्यार मुझे प्यार नहीं हुआ था मुझे इश्क हो गया था
Oh. What class were you in?
क्लास 11
Oh.
फिर मैंने एक साल वेट किया उसका कि वो अपने बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ जब ब्रेकअप करेगी तो आई टोल्ड हर आई एम गोना वेट आई हैड ऑलरेडी कन्फेस्ड माय फीलिंग्स टू हर कि भाई ये है अब
And you
मैं
were still friends even after you confessed?
yeah I was
Oh.
friends with her but I said मैं घर जाता था और मैं सैड गाने सुनता था उसकी याद में और उससे बात भी करता था पर सैड गाने सुनता था पर मैं बोलता था तू ऐसा नहीं है मैं वेट करूंगा डोंट वरी अबाउट इट आई थिंक इट वाज माय कमिटमेंट टू वेटिंग कि 8-10 महीने बाद शी ब्रोक अप विद हर बॉयफ्रेंड एंड देन आई वाज देयर
Oh.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's fun.
Wow. So you're friends with your ex.
Yeah.
Any other exes you're friends with?
I think most of them I'm very, very good with maintaining relationships with people. If you come into my life once, you'll stay there forever. That love is always going to remain. It's going to transform into some other kind of love. But I think love will still remain. I've people who've come into my life and I've come into people's lives. I think वो moments मैंने जिए हैं और बहुत honestly जिए. I don't think वो कभी खत्म हो सकते हैं. It will transform into something else. But 99% of the time you will, at least I would try to stay friends with them.
Wow, that's actually very nice.
Yeah.
That's interesting. I think that's never really happened with me. But okay, so here's the thing. Has it ever happened that any of your partners cheated or anything of that sort?
No, not that I know of.
Okay, क्योंकि I have this thing. Okay, this one thing that that happened that मुझे याद आया बहुत randomly. So my ex was friends with all the girls he's dated and hooked up with.
It's called apparently it's called a red flag and everything right now.
I don't know. And honestly, I never cared. I was like, ठीक है, you're friends with your exes. I think it's a good thing because to me it shows that it didn't end ugly.
Yeah.
Because she still wants to be friends with you. So that's good, right? Even if it was a hookup or whatever you were dating, it was a fling, whatever. So this guy, we had a fight. Cut to he's made a plan to chill with some ex.
I think the timing was very wrong. Yeah, it's very this conversation is very nuanced actually. You know, there is nothing right or wrong in any situation. It's the context that matters.
Yeah.
I think with all the relationships people have, and even when I hear this now, this is the red flag, this is the green flag, all of that. I think a lot of context matters. It's very easy to just say कि अच्छा ये गलत है या ये सही है. There are no rules. There aren't any rules. It's how you define them. It's how you live with morality. It's how you respect the other person.
I mean that is true. ये चीज़ मेरे को मेरे last relationship में नहीं मिली थी because I really felt that it's so important to be respectful even when you're fighting.
Yeah.
And I have this way that when I'm angry, when I'm really like extremely pissed off, my blanket statement to everybody around me is, give me 10 minutes. Don't try to talk to me. We're high on emotions. It's not going to make sense. You're not going to make sense. I'm not going to make sense. I'm very angry. मैं समझ भी नहीं पाऊंगी.
That's a very sensible way.
Yeah, like give me 10 minutes, give me 15 minutes. Let me calm down. Let's circle back and have this conversation after a while.
I agree. तो पता है वो उस 10 मिनट के अंदर ही काफी सारी चीजें खराब हो सकती हैं.
Exactly.
हाँ, that's the time where you need to control yourself. That's the time where the other person needs to control themselves. 10 मिनट के लिए दूर हो जाओ एक दूसरे से. अगर किसी मैं अपनी मॉम के साथ भी करता हूँ. If I'm having a
I do that with my
some
mom.
kind of argument happens, I say okay, 10 minutes, mom, you rest, I'll rest, whatever, and then we'll come back to this conversation a little more like cool-headed.
But then मुझे ये समझना है यार कि अब जैसे जो सिचुएशन मैंने आपको बताई उसमें like to me that may not have been cheating but that was like disrespectful.
Sure.
What do you think for you is that nuanced disrespect in a relationship?
So I'm that person who doesn't really talk ज़्यादा. Of course, I'll talk to my partner or my friends and all of that. And men are told not to, you know, be vulnerable, or not told, but we've been
Conditioned.
taught, right? तो मैं वैसे ही ज़्यादा नहीं बोलता हूँ. I have this thing कि अच्छा बाकी सब खुश रहने चाहिए, बाकी सब मैं खुश रहूँगा. Everyone's happy around me, I'll be happy. It's not that कलेश नहीं चाहिए. I don't want drama in my life. The less the drama, the better. If it's a very deep and emotional secret you have, I'm going to keep it for the rest of my life.
Oh,
But otherwise, I have a very patla pet. But like if there's gossip, it's going to come out of me from somewhere or the other. But if there's something very emotional going through in your life and all that, and you told me that, मेरे मुंह से जिंदगी में नहीं निकलेगी वो बात.
But okay, what is something that you admire in a partner? That you're looking for?
I think now I look for a lot of emotional maturity and a lot of empathy, I think, from the other partner, from my partner, and a person who loves animals also, because I love dogs and I love cats, and somebody who doesn't just like I want them also to have that same thing, because I want to get a dog in Bombay someday, soon, hopefully. Yeah.
But I think then you're sorted, because I have 3 cats and a dog. So.
Lovely.
But yeah, considering the pressures of the kind of work that you do,
yeah,
how do you maintain a relationship? Because personally, I also find it very difficult. Like, how do I sustain a relationship or even date somebody? Because we hardly have time. And you know, also
I disagree
emotional-
with that. I think we all, you can be the busiest person on the planet, but for people that you love and like, you will take out time. You will make the time. I have a problem with people who don't answer their phones or don't reply to messages because they're too busy. I've met people who are the busiest people in the world, and they always make sure they reply to you in due time. Yeah, it's your headspace. Your headspace doesn't have time. It's not like there's no time. So your mind doesn't have the time.
So you're not the kind of person who will ghost somebody.
No. Even if even I've gone out on a date with someone and I don't see where it's going, and I will send a message saying, hey, I'm really sorry, but this is
Where do you
something.
think this is going?
We'll see what messages we get.
Ooh, what is that supposed to
I think it's going
mean?
well.
What is that supposed
Next
to
is the
mean?
swimming date, right?
Yeah. Or we could watch horror movies.
Psychological horrors, not just horror. भूत नहीं चाहिए यार मुझे.
Come on!
I won't be able to sleep, Janvi. I'm telling you, I'm terrible.
हाँ तो I don't know. Do something if you don't want to sleep. If you're so scared. दिन में सो जाना. दिन में तो भूत नहीं आएगा ना.
क्यों दिन में क्यों नहीं भूत आता?
I know that's what people think.
ये क्या logic
I
हुआ?
think दिन में भी भूत आ सकता है.
हाँ. तो मैं नहीं देख रहा फिर horror. Why do you want to torture me though?
But that's so much fun. Imagine you will get scared and I get to give you my kandha, no then.
Oh, like that.
Like that.
Nice.
You're clearly very slow. Hint तो मिलते ही नहीं है ना, समझ में नहीं आते ना, clearly.
I'm telling
This is my problem with men.
you that they are terrible at flirting.
Yeah, and they don't
I
get
am.
hints. हम इतने
am.
अच्छे hints देते हैं.
I'm terrible at flirting, I think. I really am. I'm gonna see your episodes to learn a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe, yeah. And then the next episode, then second date, you can just
Yeah, sure.
apply it.
Apply it. You know, there are these YouTube, some people make videos on how to flirt and all of that. I find it utterly nonsensical. But I think I need to go there and learn a bit.
But I'm very confused. If you don't know how to flirt, how do you woo a woman? Like, what do you do? Like, it has to be some flirty, right? Something flirty. Like a
I don't
banter
know.
also
I think if
requires.
somebody tells me to flirt, then I can't flirt. It just comes very
Naturally.
It will
Like, are
be
you-
at a place or wherever if I feel it, and if you're feeling it, it just comes naturally.
Are you somebody who's like oblivious to flirting when you're flirting? Like, you don't. So, I've been told that sometimes when I'm flirting with somebody, I don't even realize that I am.
Oh, no. I'm very aware. Yes.
So, I'll know when you flirt with me.
Am I not right now?
You are?
I don't know. We're both being oblivious.
Yeah, I mean, we could just act like we don't know
Yeah.
when we're flirting.
Yeah, I agree.
But यार, I'm gonna end this date. मेरा मन तो बिल्कुल नहीं है, but करना पड़ेगा.
So sweet.
But मुझे तो थोड़ा बहुत कलेश पसंद है.
कितना पर?
मतलब
कितनी मात्रा में? स्वाद अनुसार.
मैं attention के लिए कलेश करूँगी.
अच्छा.
I love attention.
Yeah. I don't love attention.
From my partner. Well, you can give me, na. That's why.
हाँ मतलब okay fair. See, I'm a good learner. So
धीरे-धीरे एक-एक कलेश से you
धीरे-धीरे
learn.
एक-एक कलेश से I learn. अच्छा ये करना था, अच्छा वो करना था. I don't repeat the same mistake twice. But I do make a lot of mistakes for sure.
But that's okay. I will be fighting with you not for your mistakes, but probably because
But
attention नहीं
fight
मिली.
nicely, then we'll be good.
Yeah, it'll probably be like,
वो 10-minute वाला rule we'll have.
हाँ, but वो serious वाली fight नहीं होने वाली.
अच्छा.
Like when I say कलेश, it's like just for the sake of it.
Like banter type कलेश.
नहीं, it's
अच्छा,
going to be like
banter
मुझे
भी-
attention नहीं मिला, मैं बात नहीं कर रही.
तो फिर तो अच्छा बात नहीं करोगे तो attention वैसे
नहीं,
भी
but
नहीं मिलेगा.
how can you not talk to me if I say बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं गुस्सा हूँ, तो you're supposed to talk to me.
हाँ तो मैं how do I talk to you if you're not talking to me? Then how do I give you attention?
मनाना पड़ेगा ना,
पर
तभी तो
मनाऊंगा
attention-
कैसे if you're not talking to me?
You have to figure it out ना.
वो YouTube videos खोलो यार. उसकी भी कोई निकली होगी I think.
मतलब see, you can always come, plan a date, come and like get me flowers or like.
You are so busy, and if I don't,
So
if I
pick me
call
up
you,
from office.
if you're in a meeting, then
तो वो तो मेरा बॉस समझ जाएगा. It's okay. My boss will be very happy.
so
He'll be
much
like,
so.
get out of the office.
You know, I also said something. Emotional maturity. I was looking for that.
हाँ, but कभी-कभी attention.
कभी कभी is fine.
चलता है ना,
Yeah,
थोड़ा
कभी कभी is fine.
बहुत.
Yeah, I agree.
Otherwise, I'm very emotionally mature. Please.
We're good then.
Yeah. चले?
Chalo.
Oh, I think they're the best. I think they're the best breed to have in India.
Rodations.
Yeah.